Hi, in the last video, we talked about there, about the use of there. There is used when we talk about something that is placed on something or in something, that is present somewhere, in something, on something, at something, behind something, ahead something, before something, or after something. We speak there. But when we speak all these things for present situation, we use is, are. There is a chair in the room. There are 5 students in the class. But if you want to speak the same situation for past, so then you speak was over. You speak was for singulars and were for plurals. For example, there was a chair in the room. There were a few students in the class. For example, you went to the class today, you taught the students, and after finishing the class, you come to your colleagues, other teachers, and you say that there were a few students in the class. There were a few students in the class. There were a few people in the meeting. You had a meeting with people, but the people were very short. So you can say, you can share this thing with your friends that there were a few people in the meeting. If there was a gathering you attended and now you describe that situation with your friends, then you can say there were a lot of people in the gatherings. A lot of people in the gatherings. Alright? So speak was for singulars, were for plurals. The situation is there. When you want to say something is on something, or something is in something, or something is somewhere. So speak there in the beginning of the sentence. Do not speak the sentence something like this. In the meeting, a few people. In the room, one chair. In the class were a few students. So do not speak the sentence like this. Start the sentence with there. There were a few students in the class. There was a chair in the room. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you again in the next video. Allah Hafiz.